Hey everybody, in this video we talk about graphing a linear inequality in the plane, vertical or horizontal line. So let's take a look at this equation, y is greater than 3. If I were to think of this as a line, we would have the equation y equals 3. If I were to graph that line, it would look like this. If I were to assume this is my solution, this line right here, let's look at this point 2, 3. So if y is 3, wait, I don't have anything for x. So I just say y greater than 3. Is that a true statement? No, that's not a true statement. We don't have an equal to sign here, so that indicates that we're going to have a dashed line, or our boundary point, our boundary line is going to be dashed. Okay? The greater than sign means we're going to be above the line. So let's go ahead and make our boundary line dashed. So at y equals 3, we have a boundary line that is dashed. And then we shade above that boundary line, like that. So this is our solution region. If I picked any of these points in here, let's pick this point, 6, 6. If y is 6, let's plug it into our inequality. Is that greater than 3? Yes. So I know that point is in my solution. That point is in my region of solution. Now, if I test this point here, 0, 0, y is 0. Is that greater than or equal to, or greater than 3? No. That's false, and so I know 0, 0 is not a solution to this inequality. Okay, that is a horizontal line. Let's go ahead and try a vertical one. So for this problem, we have x is less than or equal to -2. This would mean our boundary line is going to be solid because we have an equal to sign. And we would think that because it says less than, we're going to say it's below. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. X less than or equal to -2. If we were just to consider x equals -2, that would be this line here, like this. We want our line to be solid, so I'm going to just keep it like this. It's a solid line. But then I want it to be below, but that doesn't make much sense because I don't really have a below or above here. I have a left or right. So where are my x values less than -2? Well, that's going to happen to the left. So for this one, I'm going to include this shaded region, or the region to the left of the line y equals -2. Now, let's go ahead and plug in a point. If I pick a point on the boundary line, that point is -2, 4. Is x, -2, less than or equal to -2? Check. Yes, that one worked. Let's plug in this point. I just picked a random point. 4, 0. If x is 4, is that less than or equal to -2? No. So I know this point at 4, 0 is not in my solution area, which is indicated by the shading there. So that is graphing linear inequalities that are vertical or horizontal.